Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to add an authorized user to your Capital One Savor card. Whether you're looking to build credit for a family member, share expenses with a partner, or just manage accounts more efficiently, this process is super simple and can be done right from your computer or phone. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Capital One account. Head over to the Capital One website or open the app, and enter your username and password. If you haven't set up online access yet, take a moment to do that. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards section, where you'll see your Savor card listed. Click on it to access the details. Now, find the Account Services or Manage Card option. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Add Authorized User or something similar. It might be under Settings or Profile. When you select that, you'll be prompted to enter the new user's information. This typically includes their full name, date of birth, social security number, and possibly their address. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any delays. After you've filled in the required info, review everything carefully. Capital One might ask you to confirm your identity or agree to terms, so double-check that box. Hit Submit, and you're almost done. Depending on the bank, you might get an instant confirmation or have to wait a bit for approval. One quick tip. Adding an authorized user means they're not responsible for the payments, but their activity will show on your account. So, use this wisely. Once approved, the new user will receive their own card in the mail, usually within 7 to 10 business days. There you have it. That's how you add an authorized user to your Capital One Savor card. If you run into any issues, Capital One's customer service is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.